Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a GoPuff order, because if you placed it and immediate thought, wait, nope, you want to catch it before it's already being packed or out for delivery, this video is going to show you how. And there's not a lot of steps involved. And the first step is to go to your GoPuff app and tap account in the lower right hand corner. Then you're going to tap My Orders or Orders. From there, you should see a list of your orders and you're going to select the one you want to cancel. Now look for an option that says Get Help or Help on that order screen. And if your order hasn't started packing yet, you should see an option to cancel right there in the app. If you don't see the cancel button, that usually means packing has already started. In that case, GoPuff says that you may still be able to cancel by contacting support, especially if it hasn't been delivered and enough time has passed since you placed it. So you would go into the help option. If your order is canceled, GoPuff notes refunds typically go back to the original payment method in about 3 to 5 business days. Sometimes it shows up as the pending charge dropping off instead. And that's honestly the best and easiest way I know how to do it. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually cancel your GoPuff order, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.